Yes, hello, my name is Jesper. This is how to make a WiggleGram in Blender. And what is a WiggleGram? It is where you take two pictures and add them together so they look like it's a 3D image. This is my second, so I may not be the best. So let's see if we can get Blender to run. It is pretty simple. You take a picture, then you rotate the camera 5 degrees, then you take a picture. Let's see what we have of now you can take any old picture. What do we have that looks particularly ugly? Bum 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 bum. Yeah, let's just take this. Let's call it a wolf. Now we have this camera, and we want to rotate it around the dog, wolf. So what I do is I create an armature in the center of the object I want to photograph. Then I select the camera and the armature. Oh, let's turn on screen so you can see what I'm doing. So I select the camera and I select the armature. Then we say Control P, and it has to be a bone. Then we deselect and select the armature again, and then you change to pose mode just to and now you can rotate the camera around the wolf, dog, whatever it is. So you take a picture. Now let's just make sure that it's, yeah, it will be shitty, but it will be fast. Let's object mode. Let's take a plate and my idea is that it looks a little better if what's behind it has a little bit of let's say see, it looks a little bit more like something with a little bit of size. Yeah, it's not really important. So let's look at the picture. Now it's a dog with a bit of green in the back. So we take one picture and we say save as image picture. We call it WiggleGram 1 wolf. And then we take what you can hear in the background is young kids that has finished their studies and they are happy. Yay! Oh, let's go to pose mode. Now we turn the camera around set 5 degrees, and then we take another picture and we say save as image, and then we call it wiggle2 wolf save as image. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, my computer has a virus. So add image from picture. You can see I did it before, but wiggle 1. There, let's do it 5. Add image wiggle 2, and that should also be around 5. Now you can play around with what you prefer. Bum, 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 bum. Let's duplicate and move there, duplicate and move. Now you don't have to do this a lot, because so it would look something like this. I know you're amazed by the level of technology I command. Yes, we make a fast animation. That was that. Let's go and see our animation. Yeah, it's not. And then we have to make it into a GIF. I use this is GIF. I have no idea if you can make a GIF with a Blender, but who cares? This is working. And it's 1 minute, and let's use all the power. And now you have a GIF that you can save somewhere. If you have some reason to. Of course. Now it gives a little bit of a feeling of that birth. Of course, the better picture you make, the better the GIF will become. So that's how to make a WiggleGram. Good day!